Yeah, my name.
So you planted this one, yeah? Or?
No, you just grow seed, just drop and it just grow and big. Yeah? Yeah, man.
Ooh, beauty.
We can show you guys. Rasta one.
Okay. Which one's the dark one?
Renta.
Right there.
No, you know, somebody I don't know.
That's a tomato?
Yeah.
I usually don't even like tomato. But it's like crunchy or it's more like a cute. What do you call this dish? What do you call this dish?
What?
Like all together, what do you call this?
All in one. Ital.
Ital.
Ital soup, you know? That's a soup. Soup.
Soup.
It's like between solid and soluble.
Soup have been born.
Soup is like broth. You have broth,
Hmm.
and when you serve at the restaurant, you have soup, you pick a one. You have the soup, you pick a one. You make a porridge. What's the difference between porridge and pop? Porridge and pop, what's the difference?
Can't go. I want to Keenan Bridge there. Jug and full and wash off. Run away. The run money, one of my riverside run.
So I just walk away out of bridge, so I take care of over.
Which bridge? What I bridge at the front there?
Eh.
No man, I hope somebody go for this or what.
Water, I take care of.
Yeah? Enough will come along there.
Okay.
And full bucket and him put all in shots and wash off, you know. You know see it?
Crazy. No way.
Yeah.
Woo. After the food finished cooking, it started to drizzle, so we decided to go wash off in the river while the food cooled down. Walking down the hill from Cinco's campsite, and this is all the nature that's growing all around. Lots of coconut trees and breadfruits and bananas and stuff. So many coconuts all over the ground, it's crazy. You could literally drink them all day. The dog is so funny.
Yeah.
If we wait for you to eat, you're gonna take like an hour.
No problem.
And you're gonna end up don't get no shower.
Right.
You understand?
Yes, sir. Oh, that's a donkey, huh?
Yeah, Cinco donkey.
Hello, donkey.
Yeah, you got it.
Whoa.
Right.
Bro,
This is what we're gonna bathe in.
it's bullshit.
We're gonna try it, yeah. This is what we use on a wash plate.
True.
Yeah.
So here we are at the end of the day eating the all-in-one Ital, as Cinco would call it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more. As you can see, I added some coconut trash because that is not trash. That's the good healthy fats. So kept me sustained through the night. It was really nice.
How is your dinner?